Are you stopping by for the very first time? Are you tuning into my channel for the very first time? Why don't you subscribe to my channel? Be part of our family. In this channel, we talk about skincare. Everything concerning skincare, we talk about it. Guys, you will learn a lot from this channel. Yes, guys. So why don't you subscribe to my channel? Be part of our family. In today's video, I'm going to show you a glowing and brightening oil. Why don't you join me and watch the video to the end and see what I will use to make this glowing and brightening oil. It will give you that glow. Okay, guys? Yes, this season we need this oil. So, guys, let's go and watch the video to the end. Remember, it's a tutorial video, so please watch it to the end. Turn your notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Let's start to make our glowing and brightening oil. Guys, yes, this one is a glowing and brightening oil. It will brighten your skin. Remember, it is not a whitening product. Chocolate skin can use it, dark skin can use it, but if you use it continuously, if you are dark skin, you will brighten up. Please remember, if you are dark skin and you use this oil, you will be brighten up. For the fair skin type, please, you can use it and come back and testify with it. Yes, guys, it will glow your skin. But before making this oil, please make sure that your environment and your equipment are well clean. Your equipment should be well sanitized. Either you are using bottle or a bowl or a container, make it a sanitized one. So guys, my first ingredient is my sunflower oil. Why am I using sunflower oil? Because it's a light-weighted oil. It doesn't clog the pores, and also it makes the skin feel moisturizing and easy absorbance. So I'm using sunflower oil, 250 ml of my sunflower oil. Guys, all the quantity of this ingredient will be listed at the end of this video. So watch the video to the end. I'll list all the quantities. Whatever you are going to use, I have listed everything over there. So watch the video to the end and get the quantity and everything accurately. Thank you. My next ingredient will be my beauty series oil. Beauty series oil is a beauty oil which will glow the skin seriously. Please, as the name implies, please, it's a skin perfecto serum. It doesn't whiten the skin, but it glows the skin. It doesn't whiten the skin. So we are using 100 ml of our beauty series oil. My next ingredient will be my 42 hours oil. 42 hours oil is also a treatable oil, and I'm using 100 ml as well. 100 ml of my 42 hours oil. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Yes, guys, for our 42 hours, we are using 100 ml as well. All the ingredients will be listed at this end of this video. Please watch the video to the end. My next ingredient is my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also moisturizes the skin. It face stretch marks. So vitamin E oil too, we are using 50 ml. 50 ml of our vitamin E oil. You can use any vitamin E oil of your choice, please. You can use any vitamin E oil. The capsule is also there. You can use any of it, but make sure that it is 50 ml. Add to your production, please. When you are making a large quantity as this one, you can also reduce the quantity. Please, you can also reduce the quantity. My next ingredient will be my bare eclat chemical. Why are we adding this to the oil? Because it will clear green veins, and also it will glow the skin. Yes, if you have tried this oil, please make sure that you comment it in. It glows the skin. It gives you that glowing. Yes, it gives you that tone, that hot chocolate tone. It's very, very nice. Please try to add this to your body lotion, and you come back and testify and tell me the secret of it, guys. So we are using half bottle of this bare eclat chemical. We are using half bottle of this bare eclat chemical. Yes, guys, please, we are using half of it. And my next ingredient will be my tea tree oil. This one is essential oil, so we are using 5 to 10 drops only. 5 to 10 drop of this tea tree oil is okay for this production. Please, guys, yes, if you are having an itchy skin, you can add in a drop to your bathing water or bathing water. Please, you can add in drops of it and it will stop it. Okay, so remember, if you are having an itchy skin, you can also add to your lotion or any of whatever you are using. Yes, and it will stop it. So for tea tree oil, is very nice. It's antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. So it's also very nice for itching, for rashes to skin problems. It clears it out. Let me show you how to make this oil. That's procedure. You take your container, a clean one as well, or a bottle. You pour in your sunflower oil, which is 250 ml. You pour it inside it. You add your beauty series oil, that's the 100 ml. After that, add your 42 hours oil, that's the 100 ml, to add it. Then you add your vitamin E oil too, which is 50 ml. Add to it. Add your bare eclat kenako, which is half bottle. Add to it, and add your tea tree oil, which is 5 to 10 drop. After everything, please try to stir it out. If you are using a container or a bowl, please try to stir it very well. If you are using bottle, shake it very well. Then you start using it morning and night, morning and night. You are way to go. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Yes, God bless you for always watching and supporting your girl. See you in my next video, and I love you. Bye bye.